Put mama to work. You ain't playing no games. I got places to be. Right, Ava?
Yeah.
Places to be. So we put mama to work here. That's right. Yeah. Mama's a little slow though, right, Ava?
Yeah. It's gonna take
What's that?
This is gonna take an hour.
You think it'll take an hour? Waiting for mama to shovel the driveway? It's ridiculous. About ready to call in the big boys.
It's gonna only I wanna go sledding. Can we go
You think mama should quit her day job for this? What do you think? Should she quit her day job?
Yeah.
You think she should quit her day job and be a full-time shoveler? I don't think she should quit her day job just yet.
Daddy, can we go sledding down that big hill with you?
You want to go sledding down the big hill? Yeah.
He's like, you can't even shovel.
Alright, we're just going to sit tight.
Busted.
Busted.
Mommy, hurry. I'm gonna have the car back.
Like, literally, we don't have all day. And this is, like, ridiculous.
I can't get it. Come on.
Alright, we'll cut her a break. I'm just going to park it.
Daddy, I'm gonna